How are you doing, my dear friends? Let me hope you are doing fine. Now we have the question to solve for x. We have 7 raised to x plus 4 over 3 minus 5 raised to 3x, which is equal to 12, into 7 raised to x plus 1 over 3 minus 5 raised to 3x minus 1. Let's do this question together with you. And I want to remind you that this question was given in National Examination 2026 in Rwanda. To do this, we need the power properties. I will remind you then, when having a to the power of m plus n, this is a to the power of n times a to the power of n. Now, that is clear that we have 7 raised to x times 7 raised to 4 over 3 minus 5 raised to 3x. This is equal to 12 into 7 raised to x times 7 raised to 1 over 3 minus 5 raised to 3x times 5 raised to the power of minus 1. We know well that 4 over 3 is equal to 1 plus 1 over 3. That's why 7 raised to 4 over 3 is equal to 7 times 7 to the power of 1 over 3. Okay? Now, what do we have here? We have 7 raised to x times 7 to the power of 1 over 3 minus 5 to the power of 3x. And this is equal to 12 times 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of 1 over 3 minus 12 times 5 to the power of 3x times 1 over 5. That's what you have here. Now, I need to shift this to take it at left. This is 7 raised to x times 7 times 7 to the power of 1 over 3 minus this one, it's 12 times 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of 1 over 3, and this will be equal to, I'll be shifting this minus 5 to the power of 3x at right. It will become 5 to the power of 3x. Here is minus 12. I may have 12 over 5. 12 over 5 times 5 to the power of 3x, guys. Okay. What's next here? Here, because we have 7 to the power of x times 7, and here is 7 to the power of x. Okay. I need to factorize by 7 to the power of x and times 7 to the power of 1 over 3. Here, I will have 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of 1 over 3 into, here I will remain with 7 minus, here is minus 12. That's minus 5. And this will be equal to having factorizing this 5 to the power of 3x. It's here and here. Factorize 5 to the power of 3x. I remain with 1 minus 12 over 5. Okay. Now, dividing 5 to the power of 3x on both sides, 5 to the power of 3x, I have 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of 1 over 3 over 5 to the power of 3x times, here is minus 5. This is minus 5. 7 minus 12, that's minus 5. This is equal to putting in the coordinator here, we have 5 minus 7 divided by 5. Now, I have 7 over 5 power 3 raised to x times 7 to the power of 1 over 3 times minus 5, and this is equal to, here is minus 12, here is minus 12 guys, not 7. Here is minus 7 over 5. This minus can simplify this to be positive, and I need to divide both sides by 7 to the power of 1 over 3 times 5. Here I have 7 over 5 to the power of 3 raised to x, and this is 7 over 5 times 1 over, dividing this here, is 7 to the power of 1 over 3 times 5. This is 7 over 5 to the power of 3 raised to x. This is equal, I have 7 times 7 to the power of minus 1 over 3 divided by this 5 times this, that is 25. Okay, now I have 7 over 5 raised to 3 to the power of x. This is equal to, here I have the power of this 7 here is 1. That's why summing their powers, we have 7 to the power of 2 over 3 by 25. To solve for x, guys, I'll take the natural log on both sides. That's why I'll have the natural log of 7 over 5 to the power of 3 raised to x will be equal to the natural log of 7 raised to 2 over 3 by 25. Remember, 25 is 5 power 2. I'll take this x down here to have x into the natural log of 7 over 5 raised to 3. And this will be the natural log of 7 to the power 2 over 3 minus the natural log of 25. Remember that the natural log of a minus the natural log of b, this is the natural log of a over b. This is what I did. Now, here x into the natural log of 7 minus the natural log of 5 raised to 3. This is equal to 2 over 3 times the natural log of 7 minus the natural log of 5 raised to 2. Remember that the natural log of a to the power of n, this is n times the natural log of a. Okay. Now, here we have x into the natural log of 7 minus 3 times the natural log of 5, bringing these 3 down here, this is equal to 2 natural log of 7 over 3 minus 2 times the natural log of 5. Hope you are getting the point right here. Now let's continue. Here we have x into the natural log of 7 minus 3 times the natural log of 5. And because here is 2 and here is 2, here is 2 and here is 2, factorizing 2, I'll stay with 1 over 3 ln 7 minus ln 5. I also need to put this on common denominator. Here, x into the natural log of 7 minus 3 times the natural log of 5. And this will be 2 into ln 7 minus 3 ln 5 divided by 3. Now, I need to take this 3 here to become the divisor of 2. Here x into three ln 5 ln 7 minus 3 ln 5 both sides ln 7 minus 3 ln 5. This simplifies this and this simplifies this. The x value will stay as 2 over 3. Here is the answer to the question we had. Remember, the question was to solve for x. The equation 7 raised to x plus 4 over 3 minus 5 raised to 3x, which is equal to 12 into 7 raised to x plus 1 over 3 minus 5 raised to 3x minus 1. Thank you very much for being with us. Before leaving the question, guys, I do want you to subscribe on our channel. Your like is very important to me. May God bless you. Thank you very much.